Hi everyone, welcome to K2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can create a stock image website for you. So as you can see that there are multiple stock images website like Pixels, or you can see like Pixabay or Freepik. So all these websites have this free images and user can easily download this and use it in their project. So you can also do a similar website like this. So you can create a website and upload all the copyright free images and user will be able to use them. Or you can also upload some premium images, so they have to take subscription or make the payment to download those images. So how you can create this type of website for your domain? So here we are going to use a custom code to create a website like this. So here we are going to use the ViserStock here. So this is a ultimate micro stock marketplace code. So here you can get the code in the Evento market. So the code is costing around $79 and you will be able to create a website like this. So as you can see that you can upload these images and it will showcase like this. And here you can also place your own ads if you want. So you can monetize your website through ads as well, and you can add your own category like this. So let me click on background here, and as you can see that the background category is open. Now you can see there is a filter option, like you can sort it by popular or recent, you can sort it by color, you can sort it by free or premium. So you can see all this functionality will be added to your website. So let me go to the home page here, and user can see the pricing details of your website as well. So you can see display pricing like this, and user can log into the website by creating an account and then make the payment to get the subscription that you have set in the backend. So as you can see that this is the backend looks like. So here user can create an account here, or you can log in through Facebook, LinkedIn or Google here as well. So let's check how you can do that. So first of all, you need to purchase this code. So it will cost you around $79. So I have included the link. So if you want to create a website like this, then you have to purchase this code. Then you need a hosting to host your website. So here in this case, we are going to use the hostinger here. So for this, we are going to use this premium or business plan here. So if you go for premium or business plan, it will give you a free domain. So you can register a free domain in this plan and host your website here in Hostinger. Here we are going to use this option business plan here. So here you will get 200 GB storage. So it is more than sufficient to host all of your images. And you can also host up to 100 websites, but we will host one website, that is our stock website. And after purchasing this domain, we have to register a domain. So we have to register the free domain that is included. So make sure to think of a name of your website. You can use ChatGPT or different AI tools or name generator tools to generate a better website for your stock image site. So let's log into the Hostinger and let's check how you can install this website in your hosting. So for this, I will go to the Hostinger here and I will click on the manage option here. Now here you will see this domain here. So if you have not purchased the domain, then you can go to the domains here and you can click on get a new domain here, search for the domain. So let me search for like image bazaar like this, and imagebazaar.com, it is now available. So you can buy this, or imagelandmarket.com or imagebazaar.cloud. So you don't need that. So this is a good option. So you can just purchase it and it will show up here in the website section. So let's click on manage here, and here you will see this option file manager in the Hostinger. So let's click on here. So here this is a custom website, so you don't have to install WordPress here. So we have to install this script that we will get from here. So here you can see this public_HTML folder, just open it and then you have to upload your zip file. So I will click on here and I will upload that file. So let me upload that file that you have downloaded from the Evento market here. So this is this Evento marketplace where you get the code. Now it will take some time to upload it to our hosting. So let's wait. So the file is around 106 MB, so it will take some time to upload it to the server. So while it is uploading to the server, let me go through the backend of this website. So for this, you can go to the event to market here, and you can see the backend of this script. So this is the admin panel here. So let's click on here, and it will take you to a dummy backend here. So let's verify it. Let's click on login. As you can see that this is how the admin panel looks of your website, and here you can see the total user, active users, and you can see the total earning here, and here you can see the total number of downloads and everything. So all the analytics will be added in the dashboard here. Now you can also add your own ads, like you can add your own AdSense ads here. So just click on edit, and you can upload your own images or upload your own code here. You can see select script, and you can paste your own code here. Now you can create different category, like you can see the different categories are there. So let me open the home page here, and as you can see that background, banner, business card. So all these category will be created from this tab in the category section. So here you can enable or disable it, and you can add a banner images or upload images in this category, and you can also manage it by color. So whenever you upload a image, so you can assign a color to that image. So if someone's clicking on the blue button, then all the images that is tagged to the blue color will be shown to the user. So we can assign color to the images here, and you can see predefined reasons for different purposes, like whether it is a copyrighted images or duplicate images or something. So you can see the add the regions here, and you can also create plans, like you can make 3 plans or 4 plans, like starter, standard, premium. Like user have to pay this $20 to download 3 images per day and 20 images per month. So you can add it here. So let's change it to like $5 per monthly price here, and let's keep it the yearly plan to $100, and you can set the daily download limit to 50. So user can download 50 images per day, and monthly download limit, so let's keep it around 1000. So he can download around 1000 images per month. So we can set according to your budget, and you can set according to your preference, and you can submit it. So it will update this, and all the users that purchase this starter plan will be able to download this much images from your website. So this is a demo websites. So here you can manage your active users. You can ban users if you suspect any suspicious activity, and you can KYC verify, KYC pending all users. So you can see all the options here as well. You can send a notification to all users if you want, like you can add a subject, send a message, and it will send a notification to all the user of your website. And here you can add or manage images, like whether you want to approve the images or not. So all the users will be able to upload their own images, and you can approve it and display it to your website. So this is like a community site where users can upload images to your website. So here you can manage all these settings here, and you can integrate payment gateways. So let's click on automatic gateways here, and you can see that there is various payment gateway option with this. So whether you want to accept Bitcoins, or you can add Instamojo, or you can add Payoneer, PayPal, or you can add Paytm also, Razorpay. So all these options are added here. So just click on edit here, and you can add the key ID, key secret, or API keys to integrate it, and you can set the range, charge, currency, etc., and add a payment gateway to your website as well. And here you can see pending deposit, approval deposit. So all the payments will be shown here in this, and you can see the withdrawals method also. You can also see donation option here, like whether you want to accept donation to in your website or not. So all these options will be added here, and there is a support ticket option as well. So you can see there is some pending support ticket as well, like this. So user can create a ticket if they face any issue, and you can resolve it from your admin dashboard here. So you can see all the tickets shown here as well, and you can see different general setting, like you can set the site title of your website. You can set the currency here. you can set the change the color of your website. Like you can see different system configuration here, like you can set email verification, KYC verification, mobile verification. So all these options are here, so you can go through it and manage your website from here. And we can also add different extensions, like whether you want to integrate Google Analytics, Google reCAPTCHA, so you can integrate them to your website. Like you can also add a live chat button to your website as well. And you can also manage your SEO of your website, like you can add your meta keywords, meta description of your website. So it will also help you manage SEO of your websites. So there are a lot of options that you can go through and manage your image stock website. Alright, now let's check how you can install the website in your Hostinger. So as you can see that I have already uploaded the file to my Hostinger panel. So here you need to go to the public_HTML. And then you need to extract the zip folder. So right click on it and here you will see this option, extract. Now here you can set a name of the folder here. Now let's click on extract. So it will extract the folder to your public_file, and here in the file section you will see this option, index.php. So copy all the code inside the files and go to the public_HTML and paste it there. Alright, now we have copied all the code to the public_HTML. Now let's go to the website. Now you need to type your domain name /install/index.php and then hit enter. Now you will see a screen like this, term of use, and here you need to click on I agree and next step. Now you need to give some required permission in your file manager. So the first one is the core bootstrap /cache. So go to file manager, go to core, and here in the bootstrap click on cache, right click on it and click on permission. Now click on this permission and hit update. Now you need to go to core and storage. So here in the core, let's click on storage, right click on it, click on permission and give the permission. Now do the same with core /storage/app. So let's go to storage app and let's give the permission. Now here core /storage/framework. So here in the framework, let's give the permission. Now the last one is the storage logs. So go to logs and give the permission. Alright, now we have given all the permission. Let's recheck, and as you can see, requirement is passed. Now let's click on next step. Now you will see the website name here, and you have to create a database and link it to the website. So for this, let's go to the database, go to management. Now here you need to enter the database name and the username, and then you have to enter the password here. Let's click on create, and it will create a database for you. So here you need to create the database name here and paste it here. Now here you need to copy the database user ID, and here in the user field paste that. Now in the database host you need to paste localhost and paste your password. Now here you need to enter username, password and email address of your website, so you can use this to log into your website. So let's click on the install now button. Now as you can see that your system has been installed successfully. So now it is asking to delete the install folder from the server. So for this I will go to the file manager here. So let's go to file manager. Let's click on access file. And here in the public_HTML, let's click on install. And here you need to delete this folder. So let's select this and you will see the delete option. Let's click on delete here. Alright, now we have deleted the install folder. Let's click on go to website and activate. Now here you need to enter your purchase code, Ubuntu username and your email address. So here you will get all the details from your login page. Just download the PDF file or as a text file, and you will see the download license key from here. And here you can see that this is the item purchase code. So just copy the purchase code from here and paste it here. As you can see that the website is activated now. Okay, now you know that how to install the website on your hosting server. Now let's log into our admin panel. So for this you have to add /admin and let's hit enter, and you will see a screen like this. Here you have to enter your username and password, so that we have already set while installing the website. So let's click on login. And this is how the dashboard looks like. So here we need to create some categories here. So let's click on categories here and let's click on add new. Now you can upload a banner image for your category. So let's upload that image here and let's keep the category name to vector, and you can add this log vector and let's hit submit. And let's add a new category. Let's upload the image here and let's add the category to backgrounds, and let's add this log to background and let's hit submit button. Now let me open this website in a new tab here. And as you can see that we have created two categories here. One is background, one is vector. So let's click on background here, and as you can see that there is no images uploaded in the background category. So here we need to add a color as well. So click on manage color here and let's add some color here. So let's add a black color here like this. Let's hit submit, and you can see that black color is added. Now let's click on here. Let's click on red color here and let's hit submit. Now let's add something like green. Let's hit submit. Alright, now we have assigned some colors here as well. So how you can upload a image to this category? So for this you have to log out here first, and you have to go to the site. Let's go to the login here, and you have to create a username here in the front end. So let's click on create account here. Now here you need to create an account here. So let me add a username like user1, and let's add a demo email here, demo@gmail.com, and you can add a mobile number here. Let's add a password here. So let's generate a password and let's click on register. And as you can see that our user profile is created. So let's add a username here. Now let's click on submit. So we have successfully created a user account here. Now we can upload images to this website. So here you can see that this is how the user dashboard looks like. So you can see the download history, you can see the manage images, and you can create a support ticket from the user point as well, which you can see the account. So you can also enable two-factor authentication if you want. So let's go to the dashboard and let's upload some images here. So let's click on add image here, and let me select this image here, and let me set the title like this, and you can set the category to background. Let's select the color to red. Let's set the extension to JPG, and let's add the tag like background abstract like this, and you can set the resolution. So let me randomly select the resolution 450 into 600 pixel, and you can upload the zip file here. So to upload the zip file, first you need to download this to your computer. So let me just download it. Now let me go to the file manager here, and here what you need to do is just select the image and select the license tags that you have downloaded, and then you need to make a zip file here. So let's add the archive here, and here I can set the name like background image 1, and let's hit enter. Alright, we have created the zip file here. So let's upload the zip file from here. Now let's keep it as free image, and let's add a description. Now let's hit submit button. Alright, as you can see that the image is now uploaded to our server. So let's go to the backend here, and you can see the uploaded image here in this section, manage image, and here you can see the pending images here, background image 1, and it is uploaded by this user. So let's click on details here, and here you can change everything, like you can change the category here, you can change the color, title, extension, and you can change the tags as well. And here you can set this option whether the attribution is required or not, and you can change the status to approved. Now let's click on submit, and as you can see that image is uploaded. Now let's go to the front end here, and let's click on the background tab here, and as you can see that the image is now uploaded here. So you can see this image type is JPG, uploaded date, number of views, total number of download, and you can see this option. And here you can share the image here, and you can see the keywords or tags that you have added here, and you can see the description of this image. So this is the free image, so let's upload a premium image as well. So for this, let's upload a premium image from here. Let me select this as a premium image. Like this, you can add your description here. Now let's click on submit, and it is uploaded for approval. Now let's go to the backend, let's click on the pending image here, and you can see that the premium image is opened here, and you can change the details. Now let's change the status to approved, and let's click on submit. Alright, now let's go to the front end here, and as you can see that our image is showing in the home page as well. Now let's click on the image here. So we can change this option whether you want to set this as a premium or free images. For that you need to create your pricing plan here. So you click on manage plan here, and you can add a plan here. So let's add a basic plan here, so like basic plan, and set the monthly pricing to $5, yearly pricing to $50, daily download limits to 20, monthly downloads limit 500, like this, and let's click on submit. Alright, now we have set the basic plan here, and here you can change the payment gateway. So let's click on automatic gateway here, and you can choose one of the gateway from here, like you can set the Instamojo, or you can set like PayPal, Razorpay. So all you have to do is click on edit here, and you have to add your key ID, key secret to set the Razorpay integration here. You can choose the currency as well. So you can do the same for all the payment gateway. So suppose you want to integrate Paytm, so let's click on, and you can set the merchant ID, Paytm website channel. So all these details will be available in your payment gateway website. And you can also change different settings from here, like you can set the system configuration here, like whether you want to allow user registration on your website or not. You can force enable SSL here, you can force secure password, so user have to type a secure password to create an account. You can also add a KYC verification fast before accepting image upload from there. You can also verify the email address of your users by enabling this option. So this will send a email or a OTP to the email so that they can verify their email. So you can prevent spam on your website. You can also verify mobile notification, SMS notification. You can see all these options here, whether you want to add image auto approval or not, and you can add watermark, you can add advertisement. So all these options are available here. So you can also enable watermark option if you want. Let's click on submit, and here you can see the storage option here. Make sure to keep it as local storage if you want to store your images in your hosting. Otherwise you can use an external server to store your images as well, like you can change the FTP storage or DigitalOcean Vultr. So make sure to keep it as local storage so that the image that is uploading by the users is directly uploaded to your hosting server. So you can see change donation settings here. You can change the logo and favicon of your website here. You can add different social credentials here, so user can log in through Google, Facebook or LinkedIn. So you have to configure this, and you have to add your client ID, client secret, and user will be able to log in through Google as well. And you can see different extensions here, like you can enable Google Analytics, Google reCAPTCHA if you want, and you can also add a KYC form. So let's click on add new here, and you can set the form like text and like name. Let's click on add here. So let's add a required. Now let's click on add new, and let's add like text and required email address. And suppose you want to add a new level, so let's add a file from here, required like identity card file extension. So let's add PDF. Let's click on add, so that the user have to add their name, email address, identity card. So upload your identity card, so you can verify it or you can approve the KYC. And all the KYC users only upload images to your site. So there are various customizations options available here, and you can also manage your templates from here. And you can manage your pages, whether you want to create new pages. You can set the name, add the slot, and you can create different pages. And you can also manage different sections here. So here you can see you can manage your about section here. So you can change the image, change the title, you can change the banner section of your website, you can change the collection, you can change contact information. From here you can change the contribution section, call to action, default image. So all these options are added here. So whether you want to show a KYC instruction in that page, you can change the login page as well. So you can change the image in the login page, and you can see all these options, premium image page, and you can change the social icons, links here. So you can easily manage your website from the admin dashboard. So this is how the image stock website works. So, and you can easily manage all the sections from here, and you will be able to see all the categories, and you will be able to edit all the pages using that software. So that's it for this video, and if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and for more videos make sure to hit the subscribe button. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.